Hello, in this video we'll discuss the classification of sensor network. So what are wireless sensor network? As we know, most of the communication is using sensors because sensor is basically capturing the data or capturing the information, and that information or data is to be moved to the network. We humans, we are also sensing hot, cold and other temperatures. So in this manner, sensors also sense the information around it. Now what is wireless sensor network? As the name suggests, wireless sensor network. Wireless sensor network supporting the wireless devices. Wireless sensor network refers to a group of specially dispersed and dedicated sensors for monitoring and recording the physical conditions of the environment and organizing the collected data at a central location. The parameters monitored using wireless sensor network are temperature, pressure, humidity, direction of wind, and speed illumination, vibrations, intensity of sound, pollutant level, etc. Now, the sensor networks are classified into two types, proactive networks and reactive network. What are proactive network? The nodes in this network periodically switch on their sensors and transmitters, sense the environment and transmit data of interest. Thus, they provide a snapshot of the relevant parameters at regular intervals and are well suited for applications requiring periodic data monitoring. What are reactive networks? Reactive networks, the node react immediately to sudden and drastic changes in the value of a sensed attribute. As such, these are well suited for time-critical applications. Generally, this type of networks is utilized in a military field, a disaster hit area, or an area where infrastructure is demolished or does not exist. The network node works as the router and transmit data from one node to another, and the data has to cover the various nodes, so the routing protocol is important to deliver the data at correct location. We'll discuss the routing protocol later in this video. Advantages of proactive network: improved productivity, improved reliability, save money. Save money, quickly determining addressing any issues in the network can reduce diagnostic time, resulting in substantial cost savings. Improved reliability, proactive network allows vital equipment to be restored to optimal functionality before damage can spread throughout the entire network. Improved productivity, early problem detection increases the productivity. Proactive network versus reactive network. Proactive network gives cyber attackers more time to get around the protocols in place, while the reactive network could bring down the entire network. A proactive network utilizes a variety of mechanisms to continuously monitoring network traffic. Choosing a protocol. Once the type of network has been chosen, protocols that efficiently route data from the nodes to the user have to be designed, preferably using a suitable MAC sublayer protocol to avoid collision. The basic functionalities and characteristics expected from a protocol for proactive network are report time and attributes. What is report time? This is the time required between successive reports sent by a node. And what are attributes? This is a set of physical parameters the user is interested in monitoring. At every report time, the cluster members sense the parameter specified in the attribute and sends the data to be aggregated on the resulting entity. This ensures that the user has a complete picture of the entire area covered by a network. Drawbacks of proactive network. Because of the periodicity with which the data are sensed, it is possible that time-critical data may reach the user only after the report time, thus limiting its non-time critical data sensing applications. Now we'll discuss the protocols that are used in this network. So the protocols used in this network are proactive protocol and the reactive protocols. Both the protocols are based on routing information update and are used for sending data to the destination from the host. So what are proactive protocols? In proactive routing protocol, each node of the network maintains a single or multiple routing table that are regularly updated. Each node will send a broadcasting message to all the other nodes in the network in order to detect the changes in the network topology. So in proactive network, it is a table driven, and in this each node maintains a routing table. और जो भी node अपनी routing table maintain करती है, and if node wants to send data, तो जिस भी node को path चाहिए होता है destination के लिए, वो path finding algorithm run करता है और उसे अपना path find out करके भेज देता है. While in reactive protocol, each network node discovers its route to destination on demand. So reactive network is on demand. जब demand होती है तभी path find out होता है. And in this, no node maintains a routing table and they obtains a necessary path when it is required. So reactive protocol, each network node discovers its route to destination on demand. This on-demand route discovery is done by flooding control messages through global broadcast, and once the route is discovered, bandwidth gets used for information exchange. Now we'll see the difference between reactive protocol and proactive protocol. The differences between proactive protocol and reactive protocols are level of delay. In proactive protocol, level of delay are high, while in reactive protocol, level of delay are low. In proactive protocol, level of delay is high because routes are predetermined, but in reactive protocol, routes are computed on demand. Periodic update always required, and in reactive protocol, periodic update does not require. Availability of route. In proactive protocol, availability of route always are available. In reactive is computed on demand. Structure of route. Proactive protocol में structure of route जो होता है वो flat या hierarchical होता है, while in reactive protocol it is to be flat. Communication overhead is high in proactive protocol while it is low in reactive protocol. Requirement of storage is higher than reactive in proactive protocol, while in reactive it relies on the number of required nodes.